Guys, Prince Time Lunch, yeah, at your service. And today is the day. Today is the 25th of December 2016. We have unboxing gifts. I hit the marathon. You guys getting up?
No, I'm still sleeping.
Rip. What's up there?
You're a good man.
Oh, he wasn't right. I'm not sure. Fun. That's the time. 7:07. Just waiting for the rest of the family to get up. Hi.
No.
What? Not me. Oh, hey, those aren't even filled. I didn't even notice those. I literally... Rip. Hold on.
There's nothing breakable in there.
I'm gonna put this down while I get mine down. Okay, Paul?
No.
Why? Something wrong with him? Oh, yeah. Get me out here, Gage. Alright, the actual stuffing. Thank you. That's my stocking.
For long-lasting relief, Ricola Herb Cough Drops with Glutamate.
How you doing, Paul?
Great.
That's good.
Dogs bring out the good in us.
That's mom.
Pedigree brings out the good in men. Feed the good.
Pretty sure this is mom's, right?
Volume has always been a
Can you read?
Looked great,
Felicia.
felt horrible.
Rip.
SMA's Beautiful Volume is specifically designed to work in reverse for soft, touchable volume. First, condition to soften, then shampoo to wash away weight. Reverse your routine with Tresemme.
Just waiting for Christmas.
I got you.
Hey, where's your...
Energy, 100%
You got wrong
whole grain
pants
Quaker
on.
oats. And off you go.
You are special.
What? He's got the wrong pants on.
Oh, I thought you were talking to me.
I think we were going with color set this year.
The reptilians are the ones you have to watch out for. The others are
Oh, yeah.
I was gonna go grab the other ones on the tree.
Oh, go ahead.
You're kids, you don't drink.
So why do you drink?
I don't. You're drinking right now. I'm bringing myself back up to zero.
I can kiss you right now.
Do it.
What?
Do it. Kiss me on the mouth.
Oh, we're going undercover. Deeper than that. We're going undercover. That's right. Deep cover.
A friend of mine went missing, and I'm gonna find her. But I need your guys' help.
I'm confused about what I'm supposed to tweet right now.
It's from Erastus.
The boys.
The boys.
It's from Erastus. Hey, it's a Christmas story.
Ordinarily, if Dill so much as said hi to you, felt great and warm outside. But mostly he just hit you in the mouth.
I can't. I've got to go to... Hey, come here!
like they match. And be careful with boxes.
Played for certain annihilation. But BB Gun knows no loyalties.
That's a big one. You want? Are we starting with stockings?
Hey, get up a little bit.
Who?
You, so I can see you in the picture.
You did very well. However, I was
what are we doing?
disappointed in Merv.
I was trying to take a picture, but you kept looking away.
This is it.
Go ahead.
No, it can't be.
Now I have another thing like that.
And now you can drink water.
No, now I can drink pink lemonade and be cool at the same time. Woo! M&M's. Oh, Tic Tacs.
There could be no
M&M's.
other explanation.
Yeah, that's cool. Just normal toothbrush. Just normal.
Conspiracy of irrational prejudice against Red Ryder.
Ooh, for Hingle. Hingle needed new glasses. Speaking of which, I better go get Hingle.
I was surrounded by happier kids who were all going to get what they wanted for Christmas.
Perfect what I needed. New chargers. I always lose mine.
You always break them too.
Actually, I have two good ones that are still unusable. There's something way in the deep there. How are we supposed to put it in? Yeah, it goes in Hingle, but how are we supposed to put it in? She could probably put it in, yeah. You going first on unwrapping, or?
You go ahead.
Alright. I'm gonna do this one.
Why don't you start with the other ones first?
Why?
Because
Okay, I'm gonna start with this one.
turn it off, dude.
Deep in the recesses of my brain, a tiny red-hot little flame began to grow.
Ooh. Professional farmer. It's good, but it's a knockoff. But it's good either way.
What?
Professional farmer,
It's good, but it's a what?
a knockoff. Because the actual series is called Farming Simulator. Oh well, good enough. I like it. Probably use that. So. You gonna go, Gage? What, heavy? Where's the garbage bag?
Black one.
Black one? How does one do? Is this all one?
I don't know.
Mom,
Hey, just bring it
I don't know
here.
how it works.
That's how it works. It's rocket science. What is it, Gage?
It's a laptop. Oh. I'm gonna put this one back here, and I'm gonna open this one. Here. What do you know? It's a box. Just what I wanted.
The light was getting purple and soft outside. Almost time for
Ooh. An official Eldora Works shirt.
Let me see. Ooh.
It's got the Eldora pad on it. Patch.
Yeah.
What? What?
Gage, go ahead. And then Peyton will open up everything else.
Why? Wow.
Would you like some milk?
That is cool.
What is it? Spam?
It's like a spam, I don't know how to, yeah. That is cool.
Safe from spam?
Spam save.
Like put like a bank.
Yeah. That's cool. Alright, what do you want me to sell for, Paul?
You want me to get it?
Well, your boss gave you a gift too.
Rob!
Stay right there.
Alright.
I said the awful things that I said.
Get out of here. Come on. Get out of here. Go on home, you mangy must get out of here. Hey,
A home.
let's get over here.
Hair pads. I've had those though. So how you doing, Mom?
Good.
That's good. I'll grab my phone. Why was he hiding under there?
Is that he's gonna kill Ralphie?
Keep looking
Well,
at the TV.
what happened today? Where's your glasses? Did you lose your glasses again?
Ralphie? Remember, you left these on the radio
Okay.
again. Now try not to...
Whoa! That's cool!
Oh, nothing much.
That's cool.
Fine. What kind of
Picture so you can send it to her.
Yeah.
You know how boys are.
Let me get out of here.
Oh, you know what I need to do? I need to put on the Eldora shirt.
I see that the Bears are playing Green Bay on Sunday.
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna take this shirt off.
Well, if these keys go
It's buttoned up all the way.
It is.
Never get his head through there.
Chicago Bears. It's terrible. From then on, things were different between me and my mother.
Hey,
More like Chicago Chipmunks, baby. Bear.
this is cool.
23 identities.
$6,000. Can you imagine if I were able to check it in? That'd be amazing, but I'm not going to because it's safe.
Okay.
Pardon me, sir. I think you're in the wrong car.
You're holding it so I
There
can
we
get
go.
out of the picture. You're holding it so I can get out of the picture.
You're not gonna like it. You will be in the presence of something greater.
Tell him I said thanks. Where do I put this? Paul, where do I put this?
Are you done?
Yeah, for now. Where do I put it?
Just put it in your room.
Okay. Present in my room. Present from my boss. His name is Alberto. Yes, I work at Eldora. Jealous. You jealous, bruh? Alright, what are we doing?
Peyton, I'll send it to you.
Alright.
Good boy, Mommy. I think I can order my own food.
Why do you not have his number?
Just one day, if I was being broccoli. Just say something that sounds Chinese. General Tso. General Tso's chicken.
That's American Chinese. This is a Chinese restaurant.
Salt worth of tea.
No tofu.
Don't. It's not. Try and translate. Liberty Mutual stood with me when I was too busy with the kids to get a repair estimate. I just snapped a photo and got an estimate in 24 hours.
Is it closed?
My insurance company definitely
It's
doesn't have
closed.
that.
It's gotta be.
Worry behind when Liberty stands with you. Liberty Mutual Insurance.
Nice little blanket. I'm gonna go for this one next because it looks so adorable. Oh hey, I got something from Cole on Snapchat.
Oh, here comes Nancy. Wow, she's sure making a splash in that designer dress. And thicker, more fabulous formulas.
Rip.
You can wear
Right, can I go now? I'm opening this. Here. Nah, that won't work. Here, Mom. You
No.
What's equal is different.
Alright, you won't film it.
Take a pain medicine when all you want is sleep. ZzzQuil, a non-habit forming sleep aid that's not the pain, just the sleep.
Whoa. That's cool. Does it connect to like iPhone?
What's fresh?
Everything is fresh.
Well, that's cool. Thanks, Mom. Trash can. Hey, have you thrown your trash away yet?
No,
Here.
just gonna do it in the end.
Oh, that would be a smart idea.
Hey,
Yo,
plug that in.
plug this in.
Yeah, sure.
There we go. Oh, you got Suicide Squad. That's so cool. Alright, let's see. What's this box?
Spend the money?
Yeah, don't want to do what I had to do.
It's another box. Woo! More shirts.
I'm gonna sing a song for you.
Or clothing.
Like it or not. All right?
Well, these boxes are kind of easy to open.
Three.
Where's the tape? It's clothing, but I don't know what it is.
You can sing at all. I was like, wow, I don't have to accent it for nothing else. It was awesome.
Oh, it's the same thing Gage got. That's cool.
I wanted to make sure I sung along. I don't want to get whacked.
Alright. You have only one gift left? I have so many left. Who are those for? What is in the box?
You can't sing and tell me if it's late. I worked up a
Strange. Even something as monumental as the Scott Farkas affair, as it came to be known, was pushed out of my mind as I struggled for a way out of the impenetrable BB gun web in which my mother had me trapped.
Oh, he has another right state thing now. A beanie.
Of course, Santa.
What's that?
That is nice. The head honcho.
Oh, it's a
connection.
Saints hat.
My mother
That's pretty
had
cool.
slipped up this time.
And a right state shirt.
What's that one say?
But the Wookiee always wins at right state. Ha, that's good.
This is exactly what I've always needed.
What, a hoodie?
Saints hoodie.
Hey, look, it's Mickey Mouse.
Thank you.
Alright, I'm gonna open this box. It's another box. See if I can open this one. Is this still tape? Mom might want to get the tape. Ow.
That's where the paper goes.
Well, that's what I put now. Oh, that's cool. A North Face sweatshirt. Can't really see it. I wonder what this one is. Oh, it says what gauge is open. Ish. What is that? Or what is it? Underwear? Is it underwear? Oh, okay. I'm guessing that's gonna be our Jammers next year. Underwear. Gift tag kit. What? Gift tag kit. Ooh. A $50 Steam card. Oh, that's cool. Thanks, Mom. Alright. So you need like the closed ones. I wonder what this one is. Pretty big box. That's a big one though. Like you'll need this box? Okay. Let's see what it is. If I can open it up first.
Before 0 hour, it did not pay to take.
Hey, I can. Cool, it's in the, it's Colt stuff. Colt shirt. And I'm guessing Colt's pants. No, this is just jeans. I always needed bigger jeans. I really hope that chair doesn't fall through. Yeah, I'm putting this stuff up here. Put the paper back with the other paper I have. And I'm gonna open this one. Gage, I kinda got like what you got, but I got SpaghettiOs. That's clever. That's clever. Thanks, Mom. And now
Do they have a tube of Grizzly for me?
that would be one small can. Oh, a tube. Alright, I'm gonna lug it out. Let's see.
Tell you what, why don't you pick up all your other stuff, put it on the couch?
Everything else?
I want to take those other gifts to your dad.
Why are those dad's gifts?
Apparently.
I still have one package after that. Gage. Here you go, Paul.
That shirt's big enough.
What? This one? Yeah, it's big enough. Perfectly big enough.
Come on up, come on up. Ho, 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 ho,
You gotta open it.
Well, I don't know if that's going first or.
Here.
Alright. Alright. So it's a big black box. Or big cardboard box. Alright, I'm gonna go get a knife. Cause it's taped. It's all taped up. It's all taped up.
Okay, get him out of here.
All taped up.
What was I doing? Wait.
Put the knife down and be careful with it. Or put the camera down.
I know your mom's gonna do a tape or something.
Yeah. Can you film?
Or Jade, you videotape.
No, because he'll turn it off.
No, he won't.
You'll shoot your eye out.
Don't
kid.
yell.
Merry Christmas. Ho, ho, ho.
Oh, hey. will help with doing this.
Take your time.
Did you see Santa Claus?
Yeah.
Did you tell him what you want? Did he ask you if you've been a good boy all year?
Now just sideways.
Don't worry.
Oh,
He knows.
I
He
see.
always knows.
Okay, young people, bye-bye Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Now, this.
Hello. I'm just really proud to be a part of the team.
You know what it took? Hard work, a great team, maybe just a little bit of magic.
Oh,
Yes.
is this really? Is this really what I think it is? Come on, open up.
Flies real fast.
Calm down with the knife.
I'm trying.
Well, turn the box around.
That would be helpful. I'm pretty sure I know what this is.
I'm confused about what I'm supposed to
It is.
No, go put the knife away.
Give me the knife.
It's marching tenors. Got my own sticks.
There's a key.
Wait, is there a key in there? There is. The tuning key. And then the drums.
Using the pen instead of fingers, it just feels more.
What's this? Oh, this is a musician friend. This is cool. Thanks, Paul. I'm not part of the harness. Here's another part of the harness.
With ingredients like roasted hazelnut and cocoa. Nutella adds a smile. to
Oh, I see. It's
Nutella.
it like doesn't have the clear port.
Whatever you need new ones. Clear on.
Yeah. It's a 4-drum.
Make the holidays a treat with Kellogg's Rice Krispies.
Is there a 5th drum? No, it's a 4-drum. Cool. So now all we need is a stock drum. That's cool. Got the harnesses and the carrier, and then we got the drums. Alright, you guys gonna open yours?
You got one more.
Oh, yeah, I do. Thanks, Paul.
Yeah, you can beat Kellogg on. You can play drum set, but not toms. Hold on.
Shove it in. Shove it in. Shove. Shove. I have one last gift to open. Also, there's a bunch of tape back here, so.
Why don't you,
Why don't I, what?
drums back in the box? I'll send you here right there.
Cool.
$7,268 in Christmas cash. New 2016 Kia Rios are only $99.95. Or purchase one with no money down for just $137 per month. Buy any select new Kia and get a free
know how to
remote
assemble
start
them?
from my friend Steve at Car Stereo 1. I'm Steve Taylor. I'll see you. Enjoy the holidays out of
Do you know what order to go in?
That's upside down. You'll never fit it in there.
Oh, I see. Do you know what order to go in, though? Lowest, second, highest, highest. And then if we had a spec drum, it would go in between the top two.
This is
So
Pepsi
like
Zero
down.
Sugar. Zero sugar. Zero calories.
This is cool.
It's okay to get emotional. We know just how you feel. It's your TV.
Thanks, Paul.
Take it with you with DirecTV and AT&T. Stream live TV anywhere, data free.
Yeah.
Join DirecTV today, starting at $35 a month. No extra monthly fees. You deserve
You want to assemble it? When you're done with your presents. Okay, so here's this one. Just a random package from Gage. Oh, thanks, Gage. Fallout 3. That'll be cool. I always wanted to buy an actual Fallout or have a Fallout game. Thanks, Gage. Can I give you a hug? That was just an awkward picture of me hugging Gage. Alright, there's a bunch of paper back here. I'm gonna go bring that. That would be fuller. Can I please have the bag?
Who? Rod and Link? Rod and Link got me a present.
Yep.
He said it would be odd if he just did it for this stuff.
Okay, you want to
You got one straight piece. One you got a couple.
Open it up.
What?
Open it up.
Oh. Look at Paul. It's a Wyoming Cowboy shirt.
A long sleeve one. Cool.
Paul's happy.
A little small though.
Paul's happy.
But you could wear it under something.
Rod and Link.
I'm gonna open these. While you guys open your presents.
Why in the hell did Rod and Link get that? Where the hell did he find a Wyoming cow? Where?
That store that Jen and I go to. Well, no, I think you went to one or two.
Hey, Paul.
No, I said he was in the one date.
Paul. Paul.
You want this one?
Father.
Yeah.
Father. Father, I have one question.
What?
Am I allowed to use tenor sticks on those tenors?
Yeah.
Do you know what tenor sticks are? Those white, the green and white ones?
Yep.
Cool. Got my own sticks. I might tape these like I did my other ones.
In beer we trust.
You wanted a shirt like that, didn't you?
Yeah, so that's what you
This is from the boys. I know what that is. Gobstoppers.
Which I might eat again.
Am I going to get any?
What?
Gobstoppers?
You ate some.
Who wraps it?
Me and Grandma.
I'd have nothing to do with it.
You were with me in spirit when I got it.
That counts. Sound Percussion Labs marching drum. Well, Mr. Snyder's gonna be happy. The only bad thing is now I can't do swag. Cause it's a 4 drum. Swag requires the spick drum.
What's a start?
What?
It's a start.
Duct tape. Nothing but duct tape.
Because he said he didn't have any duct tape.
I was pissed that day I didn't have any duct tape.
At where? Home?
Here.
Now you have infinite duct tape.
That's awesome. That man doesn't have a roll of duct tape.
Now you have 4. You're like 4 times the man. Wait, what was the present you gave me, Dave? The oh yeah, Fallout. Durr. Where is it? Up there it is. I'm gonna start this while when Dad assembles the tinners. I'm gonna start this.
And I got Maddie and Macy's to wrap yet.
Thank God, some jeans.
It's jeans. What's the shirt, Colts?
38?
You said go up one.
I'm a fat bastard.
I could have told you that.
Well, if they're not right, we'll exchange them, but you said go up one.
Set that up.
You happy, Paul?
Oh, yeah.
Look, it's Walt Boy.
So you two match.
Oh, that is cool. Look at the inside.
Oh, that's cool. Wait, who match?
Yeah, your dad.
Oh, except.
Different teams, but.
Cool. Thank you guys.
You're welcome, even though I have nothing to do
Mom.
with it. Thanks, Mom.
I should have done my stocking first.
Do your stalking. Stalking.
What's that green thing?
That's been in there so long. That has literally been in there so long. I don't know. I'm surprised.
Man.
Yeah, I'm surprised that. Why is that in there?
Have a slender Christmas.
Because he probably didn't find it when
Corner cafe.
I think I keep putting it back in.
Why?
God, I
So
thought
he
it was...
remembers every year.
Throw it away. God dang, it's terrible. That was in there so long too. Why do you keep putting that stuff back in?
I think it's funny.
Just why?
That's what I wanted.
Toothbrush. You have a toothbrush.
Oh, it's getting pretty bad. Thanks. Now it's your mom's turn.
I got one too.
Yay. And
Everybody pay attention to their color.
you got color.
Ooh.
What do you mean color?
Color of their toothbrush.
Oh, mine. What's my color? Two?
the lime green.
Where's mine? I've lost my toothbrush. Christmas Day and I've already lost it.
I got some.
Wait. Mine's like a bluish.
That's hot.
Junior Mans, I might eat those.
Those aren't your presents. Eat your candy.
Wait, I did? Oh yeah, I got M&M.
Maybe.
Open it up. Does it say the boys?
Yeah.
Then I have nothing to do with it. Probably Rastus.
Oh, I need this box.
Destroy it, destroy it, destroy the box, destroy the box.
Ohio State. Oh, cool.
Hang it up on your wall. It bobbles.
Bobble.
Thank you.
A bibbidi bobble, bibbidi bobble, bibbidi bobble. Alright, are we done here? We done?
Yep.
Alright. Oh. Thank you guys for tuning in. That's been Christmas with the Holmans in Prince Time Lord.
You want that in the bedroom?
Alright. Alright. Ah, fall out. Don't chocolate fall out. Alright, I'll see you guys later.